Hi, it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm super excited. It's time to share our new product release for January 2025. Even though many of you have snow on the ground or feeling those chilly temperatures, we're starting to think spring and Easter this month because it'll be here before you know it. And I know I'm looking forward to those warmer weather and some sunshine. So let's go down and let's take a look at what's new this month. I have so many fun products to share with you this month. I can't wait. Let's get started with our incentive stamp set and die for the month. Starting today and for a full week or while supplies last, we have this 3x4 January mouse stamp set for free, $50 purchase. And the coordinating die is free with a $75 purchase. Those will automatically go into your cart with a qualifying purchase. So this year our incentive stamp sets will be these adorable little mice, and they'll be themed for the month or for the season. They're super cute. We had some really popular stamp sets last year that these coordinate with, have the same little mice. We just hope you're going to love them as much as we do. The sentiments say sweet Easter greetings, hello friend, and happy spring. We have the little mouse popping out of an egg. It's got a little chick friend, and then we have an extra little chick up here, a little butterfly, and two little eggs that you can color all kinds of colors. Next up, you may recognize this. This is our stamp of the month, but you now can purchase it individually without the subscription if you like. This is food pairs. Super cute. I love these. We go together like chips and salsa, pretzels and mustard, pizza and soda pop, bread and butter, popcorn and salt. Super cute. You can make all kinds of fun cards with these, and we do have the coordinating dies available individually now as well. You can still subscribe and get them at a great value if you like to join the subscription, but you can now purchase them individually as well. Next up, we have thank you sentiments. This is in our Crafty Courtyard kit this month if you're a subscriber. If not, you can still subscribe and get the kit at a great value, or you can purchase the stamp set individually. It has this nice script font thank you, and then a bunch of sentiments to go with it for being there from all of us, for your kindness, for all you do, for being my friend, for your generosity. You're so thoughtful, you're a blessing in my life, and many more. Just some great sentiments when you need to say thank you. Next is our hello sentiments stamp set. And similar to the thank you, we have a nice hello and a script font, and then lots of sentiments to go along with it. This is also in the Crafty Courtyard subscription. You can still subscribe, but now you can get the individual stamps and dies individually without the subscription if you want. This is hello sentiments. This next stamp set and coordinating dies, super sweet and perfect for Easter. This is called Easter Flag, and it's got these adorable little bunnies kind of stacked on top of each other here, holding a little flag that says Happy Easter. We've got Happy Easter up here, hippity hoppity, and some bunny loves you. We have a basket of eggs. We have some eggs with a bunny peeking over, and then some individual little clusters of eggs down there. You can create scenes around your basket or around the bunnies. Super fun. So that's a 4x6 stamp set. Love this next stamp set as well. This is called Extraordinary. So the sentiments say, hope your Easter is extraordinary. To an extra special friend, have an extra special day. That's excellent. You are spectacular. You're a good egg. So cute. Can you get the theme there? So we've got some colorful Easter eggs. We have a little tray that they can sit in, and we have bunnies in the shape of eggs. We have little chicks in the shape of eggs, and then we have little kitty cats in the shape of eggs too. Super cute, and these were so fun to color. And we do have the coordinating dies to go with this 6x6 stamp set. So fun. Our last stamp and die set for this month is our Mice Spring. So we've got these adorable mice, and they do coordinate with the January mouse, but they're all ready for spring and Easter. We've got spring greetings. Have a nice spring. Hello, sweet friend. No one stacks up to you. If friends were flowered, I'd always pick you. And happy Easter. Super cute. We have the coordinating dies to go with this. That is Mice Spring. Next, I'm going to bring over, we have some new sticky gems this month. This is called The Pinks, and it's 3 shades of pinks. Beautiful, sparkly gems in 2 different sizes. It's great to add that last little sparkling touch to your projects. We have a new confetti mix. This is our Easter mix. I just want to zoom in and show you how cute. It's got sprinkles, it's got eggs, it's got little bunny heads, it's got little chicks. There's little tulips in there. There's little sparklies and sequins. This is a really fun spring and Easter confetti mix. So I just know you're going to have lots of fun using our shaker pockets and the Easter mix confetti to make some shaker cards. Next up, let's talk about some foils and foilables this month. So if you subscribe to the foil subscription, you should have received by now your foil subscription that came with our brand new vintage pink. It's a beautiful silver backing with purple and pink striations, kind of lavender and pink. Perfect for spring, Easter, anything kind of girly, anything you want that pink and purple added to. Really fun. That's a super fun foil, very unique. You get 25 feet on the roll. You can now purchase it individually. If you'd like to still subscribe to the foil subscription, you can, and you will get that and a couple of foilables. We're also releasing another foil this month that's available for individual purchase along with the vintage pink. This is Lilac. It's a beautiful lavender metallic foil. This is so pretty. Can use it any time of year, but especially in the spring and Easter, that beautiful lilac color. That's our 2 foils for January. We do have some new cut-ups. If you're foiling and not using our cut-ups, oh my gosh, you have to try them. They are already pre-cut images and sentiments for you that you just foil and add to your cards and other projects. So I'm going to zoom in instead of opening this one up because it has some little pieces in it as well, and I don't want to lose any. So we have lots of little bunnies. We have eggs. We have tons of spring and Easter sentiments on here. Hello, spring. Sending Easter joy. Happy Easter. Easter greetings. Sending joy. Happy spring. Happy Easter. Spring greetings, welcome spring, bunny kisses, and Easter wishes. Spring is in the air. Somebody loves you. Lots of happy Easters and happy springs. Some great Easter sentiments to add to your cards. And again, like I said, there's different bunnies and eggs. There's even some little jelly beans in here. So this is a great Foilables cut-up set. There are 64 pieces in here all together. As I mentioned, they're pre-cut, ready to foil and add to your cards. Super easy and fun to use. Our next little foilable set is called Bunny Trail, and this is in our foil subscription along with that vintage pink foil. There are 8 panels in here. You get 2 patterns. We've got the negative and positive of the pattern. I love doing that because it gives you the option of when you foil that negative of adding these little images to like a colored toner sheet or a white toner sheet or something like that. So there's lots of varieties of looks that you can get with our foilables. So this is the bunny trail. Next up is our fun eggs. So again, we've got 2 different patterns in here. We have the positive and the negative of the egg pattern. So you can get a variety of looks. There's 8 total panels in here, and these are 4 by 5 1/4. So they fit perfectly on your A2 size cards. Next up, and I love, love, love these. These are diagonal ombre foilable panels. You get 8 different colored toner sheets. And look how gorgeous. So this is what I'm talking about when you foil and you have that negative foil pattern, and I have lots of videos where I show how to do that. Then you add that negative foil to these colored toner sheets. And these look like ink blended backgrounds and like a diagonal going across. Look at that rainbow of colors in these sheets. I love that, the pink, purple, and yellow. Here we have some peach and teal and blue tones, a little orange, yellow, and purple. There's pinks, greens, and teal. So you get 8 different color varieties of the diagonal ombre foilable panels. So again, these are toner sheets, so you can add your negative foil designs to them, or you can use them as they are without foiling them at all. They make beautiful card backgrounds just as colored backgrounds. And next up, we have Bunny Hop Set 1 foilable sheets. So this was in the foil subscription, but now can be purchased individually. Again, like I mentioned, you can get the foil subscription still at a great value. 8 sheets with the same pattern, but different parts of that pattern will foil on each of the sheets. So this one will foil all of the pattern. This one foils just the bunny and the centers of the flowers. And of course the outline, wherever the outline, it will also foil the outline. This foils the flowers and the hearts. I also give you, in this set, a colored toner sheet, just with some ombre stripes in here that you can foil your negatives to. So that way you can give it a try. This one foils like the negative, the background of the pattern. So 8 different variations of the same pattern. It just foils different parts of it. So you can get different looks for your cards. That's the Bunny Hop Set 1 foilable sheets. To go with that, we have the Bunny Hop Set 1 set of 4 stencils. You can use the stencils without the foilables. So this is an example of what you can get if you use the stencils without the foilables. You just get beautiful inked, blended, stenciled backgrounds. But you can put the stencils over those foilables, and you can foil the foilables and then ink blend over, and you get foil and beautiful color designs. So they work together or they work independently. You can use them alone or you can use them together. So the stencils are still useful once you've used up your foilables. That's the Bunny Hop Set 1 stencils that go with the foilables. We also have the Bunny Hop Set 2. Now, these were not in the subscription. This is a new, not seen yet, Bunny Hop Set 2. So it's similar in that different parts of the pattern are foiled, you know, the outline, and then I picked different parts to foil in each one, so you could use the stencils over them and color different parts. So we have 8 different sheets again with different parts of the pattern being foiled. And you can also ink blend on these or color them. This one foils the background. Here's one that just kind of does the outline and then the center of those flowers. Again, 8 different variations of the pattern. Look at that. Another beautiful ombre colored toner sheet so that you can foil some of your negatives and have some fun creating a variety of looks with the Bunny Hop Set 2 foilable sheets. So you've got it. We also have a Bunny Hop Set 2 set of stencils. There's 4 stencils in here, so you can create looks like this. You can use the stencils by themselves to get colored backgrounds, or you can use them with the foilables to get a foiled and colored design. Super fun. I can't wait to see what you all create with these. Next up, we have our stitched oblong ovals nested dies. So these fit perfectly on your A2 size card, and you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 8 dies in here, and they have the stitching along the outside. So you got that nice stitched edge. We have our stitched layered eggs dies. So you can create lots of different sizes of eggs for your spring and Easter cards, or scrapbook pages, or journal pages, whatever you do with your dies, your die cuts. We have a new paper pack this month. This is Watercolor Spring. As you can see from the cover sheet, they are beautiful, beautiful. There are 10 different designs in here, and you get 3 of each for a total of 30 sheets. They're on nice heavyweight cardstock, so they hold up really well for your cards. You can even fold them and make card bases out of them. They're just gorgeous. They just look like beautiful watercolored backgrounds. Very colorful. You could go to your stash of cardstock and inks, and I know you can find colors to match because they just have all colors in them. Really pretty. As I mentioned, there's 10 different designs, and you get 3 of each in the package. They're 8.5 by 5.5, so they're perfect for using for your A2 size cards, or even larger. You could use these for slimline or mini slimline cards because we give you that little bit larger size. And that's the Watercolor Spring pattern papers. And last but certainly not least, we have this giant die here, and this is our circle flip card die. So you can create a fun fold card with the die. Here's an example on the back of the front of one, just kind of designed and fancied up there with some different pieces of the dies. Let me show you. It comes with the script font thank you that matches that thank you sentiment stamp set, and it has the shadow die. It also has the hello with the shadow. So if you have the hello sentiment stamp and the thank you sentiment stamps, you can use the shadow die to cut out the stamp of those words. It also comes with a variety of flowers and little leaves that you can put with the flowers. And I just wanted to show you on a basic white card base what it creates. See that circle that flips in the front when you open it? So you've got different dies to decorate, and I'll definitely be doing some videos using that die and the other January products. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our new products for January 2025. It's a new year, new fun products. We're going to be crafting our way out of those winter blues with some fun, cheerful Easter and spring colors and themes. And you can find all these items and more at pinkandmane.com, or ask your local retailer. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.